folks. Today is November 21st. Alright, 21st there, right?
Yep.
Yeah. And it's rifle season now. It's not no bow season anymore. I not have a good bow season this year.
Like third year in a row.
That was year number 5. It was horrible. But yeah, now it's the easy time. Now I got our guns here. We got the 308 and a 6.5 Creedmoor.
Some nice loins.
There's a 6.5 and a 308 right down here. And we're hoping just to put some loins on the ground tonight.
Yeah.
Hoping for a big old doe or something.
Big doe. Big loins.
I need to put my knife into some guts.
I guess say it like that.
Alright, here we go, folks.
Here we go. It's go time.
Let's get them. Well, we got a couple of deer out. There's some over the little cliff here that we got. Let's see if we can find
on the edge.
Oh, okay. We had a couple out so far, but there's one decent-ish one. But we're gonna wait and see if the big girls come out or the big boy. We'll see what happens. Pull the trigger here in a minute.
Okay. Let me know when you're gonna pull it, okay?
Okay.
Let me know.
Alright, pull your ears.
Yeah. You got her, buddy!
She's
You
down.
got her! You got her! She jumped like a heck of a lion. Oh my goodness, you got her. You hit her. Okay. Get her again.
Where is she now? Faster. If you zoom out, then you'll find her.
I got him right here.
Okay.
Hey guys, we got a buck down there.
Oh, that big doe is on to him. That big doe is on it. Yeah, on him. However I said it. He's not big at all.
No, he's small.
Well, everyone, we were able to get a doe tonight. She ran like, I'm gonna say about 300 yards. She ran it a good long while. I caught her right in the lower of the heart, it looks like. So I might get her all dressed out now, and then Brant and I, we're gonna get her back to the house. So yeah, here we go. Well, guys, Brett and I are out here yesterday. I was able to take a big doe.
What?
You heard me, moron.
What are we doing?
But now it's Brent's turn, everyone. We're out here to get Brent a big old doe. See if he can make it happen with the 308.
What?
What?
I think I see a buck out there in the field right now.
Yeah, it's the biggest doe the world's ever seen.
Hey, do you think it'd be okay if I shot her?
Oh, she's got some loins. Look at them loins.
Yeah, loins. Too bad she's actually not a nice buck. That'd be a pretty easy shot.
Mm. She's like the biggest doe the world's ever seen.
That is a huge doe. I bet you she's probably 180 pound doe.
No, she's gonna be 200. Come on. Don't underestimate her.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Look at her. Man, she's a brute.
Ooh! You still filming?
Yeah. Oh, she run like a hyena.
Yeah, she's bored.
Welcome back, everybody. Still rifle season here. I've got one doe down so far, and Brett's on the mission to kill a doe now. But
Hey, what's going on?
you know, just 2 days ago it was 20 degrees, and now it's 50 degrees out. You know.
We're going to the beach after this. Yeah.
Seriously. I don't think I've ever hunted a gun in a t-shirt. What about you?
Oh, you're filming me?
Who do you think, moron?
Yeah. Yeah, I have fun gun and a t-shirt, but I usually got a sweatshirt and a coat over top of it. So, yeah, I've hunted a gun and a t-shirt lots of times. Hey, this glass is nice. Remember last year when I shot a doe out of here, there was some plastic here.
Yeah, it was great.
That was good filming quality right there.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
woke up this morning.
We did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Good picture. I don't use my gun, but if it looks like she's too far away, I'll just go.
Okay, that big girl, she's almost out now.
Is she?
Yeah, she's like, wait. She's on the move.
Ready?
You can take her right there. Hold on, wait till she gets in the field.
Take her.
Yeah, just wait till she's broadside and out of the way.
Yeah. We got another one.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
Big one?
Yeah.
What the crap? Alright, when that person turns broadside, you take her.
The second one looks even bigger.
Okay, maybe wait then.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till she's out.
The second one's a buck. It's a spike. So you're taking the first one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there might be something else coming. They're looking back.
I'm gonna take her.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
You don't let her?
Yep. You definitely hit her. Well, folks, we're out here now. Brent, Andy, and I. We're gonna try to find this deer. This is Andy's actually first track. We're gonna see if he can do it. He's a good old beagle. See if he does. What do you think, Brent?
Oh, you know, I think I want some Oreos.
All right, here we go, folks.
Here we go.
What do we got here? A little bit of blood. It's Andy's first tracking job. So he does. Are we trusting the dog?
Yeah.
The blood. Lots of blood. See how we do. Got blood.
Where you see blood at?
Right there. Where? Right there. You colorblind or what, boy? Blood? Oh, dog's off the trail. Don't tell him though. Blood right there. Dog's off the trail.
Yeah, good eye. I can't.
Right there. Here we go.
Yeah, I don't know how you're picking that up.
Oh, I'm a tracker, man. See the trail? I can see it.
Boys.
Orange. Come on now. This way! Yeah, hold on, man. Huh? Oh, didn't go 20.
20 yards.
Oh,
I think we found her.
I think they're on the wrong trail.
Lines. Lines. There you go, 20. Elm, folks. Go on.
Uh-oh. How do you know? Oh, they're busted off. No, they're not. Well, how do you know?
He's a little stubby horn.
Oh no.
Oh well.
You can tag it as doe. Too small.
Yeah, for sure. That's a dope.
Are you serious?
You couldn't see that if you had the best
Oh, heavens
eyes in the
no.
world. That was an honest mistake.
Oh my god.
Well
What'd you yell
done.
at?
Hey dog, you failed.
Yeah, he definitely failed. He really failed.
What do you think, man?
Well, I'm from 0 to hero pretty quick.
Went 0 to 0 real quick?
Oh, man.
What do you think, dog? You're on the wrong end. That end.
Where do you think you hit her? Looks like right there.
That side, no, is that the side she was standing on or no?
Yeah.
He? I should say he.
He?
Yeah, this side someplace.
I swore I'd never stoop this low.
No, it's not stooping low when you can't see him. What's the head look like? Yeah. Now flip it over. Let's see where you shot.
Somewhere
Right there. Looks like right there.
pretty good.
Well, let's take a big doe from up there.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll be fuckered. All right.
I'll be puckered. What do you got to say?
Well, you know, I'm not eating her. Him. Ryan's might want her.
There you go.
He shouldn't.
Alright, get another. There we go. How you guys say for yourself?
Took
Andy, what do you think? Wrong end.
Well,
We on?
Well, everyone,
We harvested.
we sure did. So Brant shot, and we thought it was just a big old doe, but we tracked it down, and it has 1/4-inch spikes on it, but it didn't even act like a buck.
1/4-inch spikes. From 150 yards, you can't see 1/4-inch spikes. I'm telling you, they were the size of half a penny or less.
They're so tiny. It's
Yes.
a big deer. It like has bad genetics if the spikes are that tiny, this big. It's just weird. So,
It was an honest mistake.
Yep.
Looked like a big doe from 150 yards.
and legally in New York, you're allowed to tag a spiked buck underneath 4 inches as a doe. So this will be tagged as a doe. So
Kind of disappointing, but at the same time, it wasn't like the spikes were 3.5 inches long, because then you wouldn't have been able to see what it was. I would have felt really bad if that's what it was. But-
yeah, we smoked her with a 308.
Yep, she didn't.
Smoked
he
him.
He didn't go
308.
20 yards actually.
Yeah, he didn't.
He might have went 15 yards.
He just jumped the ditch and he just piled up.
Right there.
So yeah, congrats to Brent tonight
Yep.
on
For sure.
getting a good old deer down.
Yep.
All right, now the fun starts.
Let's do the fun.
Get the guts out.
Here we go.